Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your MasterCard with Australia Post. So let's get started right away. Just go ahead and open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar, type in everyday.card.auspost and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of Australia Post. Now you will be asked to log in directly. In case you don't have your MasterCard activated already, just click on the Activate button at the top section. Now just type in the missing digits of your card number, followed by your email address, and finally type in your password. Then click on the Login button and you will be logged into your MasterCard with Australia Post. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your MasterCard with Australia Post. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.